So we're back at the bungalow now. The guys have been round and yesterday took the back wall out and the steels in. I'll spin the camera around and show you what they've done so far. So you can actually see now where we're going with extension. We'll just wait on the architect to come back with updated drawings. We're not sure if we're going to have a flat roof now. We might have a slight pitched roof, try and keep the ceilings the same height. There's no one here at the moment. Let me spin the camera around and show you what we've got now. So the back wall is now out in this room. Luckily we're taking the ceiling down anyway, because all the ceiling's coming down next and being reboarded. Back wall's been cut out. It looks a bit of a mess at the moment, but I'm sure it's going to be tidied up. Carpet's got to come up, this room's got to be cleared. Got the acros up to be supporting it. I think they'll be run later today to finish off, make good. So this room here now, which is the last room to be done to be fair, is going to be the dining area, bleeding through to the kitchen. So let me spin you around now and show you what we've got. So you'll be coming through here, out here, into the kitchen here. And kitchen's going to be situated around this wall here, with an island in the middle. So, we've got the brick pads at the top there at the moment, and they're still going across. Timber plates coming off, and as I said, we're not sure yet if we're going to put a slight pitch roof on it, or we're going to stick to the original plan of the flat roof. Once the steel's in and we get the drawings back from the architect, the update drawing from the architect, we can work out what roof we're going to go for. As I said, it was going to be originally a flat roof, but we want to try and keep the ceilings the same height, I think, so we're might put a small pitch on it, because it's still the same amount of timber, just some tiles to go on top. With a gable end, it looked quite nice, so we're just waiting for the architect to come back with an updated drawing, and then we're going to make a decision on a couple of different types of roofs we might put on there. So the extension's pretty much finished, built up. The back wall's out, the steels are in, being supported by acros at the moment. Once this room's done, all the ceiling boards are going to come off as per the other rooms. We're going to reboard it, get all this plastered out and dot and dabbed, and then it'll be right through then. So it'll start taking shape. Just need to get this roof on and get this back wall secure, and then start cracking on with some work then, can't we? I'm looking forward to getting this room done actually. Today's project, I think my son and I will be doing, I think we'll be doing some door linings today, get some door linings in all the rooms, like what you call a door frame, door lining, fit a couple of them, and then we'll start doing some architrave around the doors. Because we want to do the bathroom first, I do believe, so we can get the, we've got somewhere to tile up to. Once we've got the door framing, door lining, sorry, the architraves in, and then we can start tiling. I think we're going to tile it ourselves or get a tiler in, not sure yet, but then we've got somewhere to tile up to, then we've got the architrave in to tile up to, then we can get the bathroom finished, make it a bit more habitable. Okay, I'll probably do another little update when the guys come around and start finishing this work off. I'll come around and film it and see what's going on. But that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Like and subscribe if you get a chance. Thanks. Cheers.